All right, guys, we got a 2013 Ford Taurus in here. All right, now it's a turbo motor, so the customer came to us and said he wanted it pretty loud. What we did was we cut the resonator off and we cut the mufflers off. We basically gave him a straight pipe system. The only thing left on the car is this stock catalytic converter. All right, we're gonna bring it down, fire it up. Make sure you guys hit the like button and make sure you guys subscribe, please. All right.